Finally I am home alone. I want to do something, but what should I do? I got it. I am going to replace all the light bulbs with red light bulbs so I can scare Rosie when she comes home from daycare. I am so glad I have school off today. It's not every day where I get an opportunity to do this stuff. Hello sir, do you know where all the light bulbs are? Okay.
Your total will be $60. Have a nice day.
Time to open this box of in-third light bulbs. Wow, that is a lot of light bulbs. Time to install them. Wow, this for sure will scare Rosie.
Oh no, why is it red in here? This is so scary. Is it the end of the world?
Caillou Boris Anderson.
Oh no, middle name.
What the hell happened here and why did I just lose $60? It could not have happened out of nowhere.
Oh, I remember you called tech support yesterday. He had an Indian accent.
He was not a scammer, he worked for actual Microsoft. Spit the truth, it's already evident.
Well, I wanted to scare Rosie.
Young man, you are to uninstall these light bulbs and go back to the light bulbs we had before. I will also return the red light bulbs. Caillou, how dare you waste my money and scare Rosie? That is it. You are grounded for 65 hours. Go to bed now.
You better watch yourself, Caillou. I'm coming for you soon.